Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert your Instagram account to a business account. It's very easy and very simple. So let's dive into the steps together. The first step is to go to settings. Now before you do that, you have to go to your Instagram app by clicking on Instagram right here on your Android phone or iOS phone. And after that, click on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, and then click on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner on your profile and go to settings and go to accounts, or you can do this by choosing this option right here under the section for professionals. Click on business tools and controls and click on switch account right here and switch. My account is already a business account, but you can switch to a personal account by clicking on this. Now I'm gonna switch to a personal account. See right here. Now it's switched to a personal account. Now let's go back and switch to a professional account or a business account. Let's see here, account type. Let's click on account type and switch to a professional account and follow the prompts like this. You can choose the category that's best to describe you. You can also choose whether you want to display it on your profile. Select creator or business. Let's select business. And that's it. You can also connect to Facebook page, which is optional if you have a page. Link it for better integration and set up contact options like adding your email, phone numbers or location for customers to reach you. Now for additional tips, use Instagram's insights to analyze your audience and post performance, and optimize your bio with a clear call to action. And that's it. That's how you make a business account on Instagram. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.